But hi, hope you guys are doing well. So we have this keyboard which I will be building because you guys just watch. No help at all. Thanks very much. So we have these Zealios switches which are already lubed and filmed. We have these Everglide smoke stabilizers. They're fully modded already. Wanted to go with clears, but they weren't available when I was buying the kit for this. We have these Cat Alpha keycaps, which as you know is black on white. Then we have the keyboard itself. We'll be building on the Rekt1800 from Canon Keys in white. I love how Canon Keys includes and packs everything into this nice case, safe and sound, with that microfiber cloth over the keyboard. So, let's get on with the build. Overall, the board was effortless to build on. It had a fixed layout, so nothing really to decide on. But the only thing you have to be careful with is the pads on the PCB are not that great. They're very slim and very flimsy, so you have to be careful when soldering. You have to be on the right temperature and not overheat, or you may risk lifting the pads that easily. Wow, we've been doing a lot of these full keyboards and numpads on this channel. But I'm curious, what are your work keyboards? What do you use to crunch in the numbers? Let me know in the comments below. Now, you may be wondering, why do we have soldered keyboards in this day and age when almost any keyboard is hot swap? Well, random Jimmy on the internet, thanks for that wonderful question. But it's so that keyboard builders like us still have jobs. Lol, just kidding. There are soldered keyboard builds because soldered builds tend to be like a one and done solution. Meaning like you put the switches in once, solder them on, and you leave them there. Until there are repairs that are required, of course. Personally, I had a ID80 before, and it was a hot swap build. I had the knack of taking the whole board apart when I needed to clean it, and I did this every week until I noticed the switches were coming off with my keycaps when I took them off. And it eventually was so bad that the switches would sometimes pop out of the keyboard while I was typing. I mean, I do acknowledge my mistakes here, that you shouldn't really be taking the board apart down to the PCB every week. But yeah, the point is that will never happen in a soldered build. The switches will be intact, and bonus tip, you won't be tempted to keep changing switches. Also, if I may add to the building experience of this board, I absolutely hated doing the screws on this board. Using that itty bitty tiny little Allen wrench going into a deep well into oblivion. Screwing this board took so much work. Oh my god. Heck, even KBD fans can do a better job with their tools, where they have a plastic mold or a handle with their tool. Oh my god, that's so much easier to use. But finally, it's done. Oh yeah, wait, the keycaps. Here. Plastic case, 10 out of 10 here. Perfect. And B-roll. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See ya!